सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। Chapter 2, verse number 1. Sanjay uvacha tam tatha kripayavishtam ashrupurnakulekshanam विषीदन्तमिदं वाक्यम् उवाच मधुसूदनः श्रीभगवानुवाच कुतस्त्वाकश्मलमिदम् विषमे समुपस्थितम् अनार्यजुष्टमस्वर्ग्यम् अकीर्तिकरमर्जुन। We are seeing the second chapter where Arjuna is going to enter into the emotional condition that is from Viparyaya to Samshaya. The first portion of this chapter we saw Arjuna Sharanagati is the first topic. Before surrendering to Lord, Arjuna is undergoing 3 types of mental stages. The first one is Viparyaya. What is the meaning of Viparyaya? Viparyaya means a state of mind in which the person sees the things wrongly, in a wrong way. That is the condition. Viparyaya. விபரீதமா பார்க்கறது சொல்றோம் இல்லையா தமிழ்ல. இருக்கிறது ஒன்று வேறாக பார்க்கறது. So seeing wrongly. Who is seeing the condition of the mind? That is the mental condition of Arjuna. Seeing the dharma yuddha as adharma is the viparyaya has taken place in the mind of Arjuna. Then the second stage, third stage will come later shlokas. Now Sanjaya introducing the mental condition of Arjuna to Dhritarashtra. Sanjaya uvacha. Sanjaya says, having seen such a type of Arjuna, Lord Krishna's uttered these words. What Sanjaya says, having seen such an Arjuna whose mind is under Viparyaya condition, what Lord Krishna said. So that is the presentation of Sanjaya The whole context, Sandarbha, he is presenting. Who? Sanjaya. To whom? Dhritarashtra. Where are we? So, thus Madhusudana Uvacha. Madhusudana, Lord Krishna said. To whom he said, Tam Vishidantam Kripaya Avishtam Ashrupurna Akulekshanam Tam Arjunam. Having seen that Arjuna who is grieving, Vishidantam means who is grieving under the spell of sorrow. Who is under the spell of sorrow, grief. Kripaya Avishtam. Arjuna is one who is Kripaya Avishtam, overpowered by attachment. Kripaya means attachment, overpowered by attachment. His mind is so confused. Ashrupurna Akulekshanam. Not only that Arjuna, eyes are also filled with water. Ashru. Akulekshanam, he is not able to see. The vision also became very, in the blur vision, he is not able to see anything in front. So, Ashrupurna Akulekshanam, such Arjunam. Prati. After seeing such Arjuna, Lord Krishna spoke these words. Idam Vakyam. Idam Vakyam means the following words Lord Krishna uttered with Arjuna. With Arjuna enna sonna podumo illaiyo, edukka ipdipatta Arjunar ennu sollanamanna. So Lord Krishna is going to talk such a type of words. What are the words he is going to use? Why he is using? Because this type of Arjunariki inda madri thevayana words thevai. So the context he has to present. What type of Arjuna he is, சொன்னதுக்கு what Bhagavan is going to talk another relevant இருக்கும் இல்லையோ. To who is talking enna. By seeing those words, they are in happy mood or sorrow mood, you can understand. Yes? Like that, the Sanjaya presents the context here. What Bhagavan tells, Shri Bhagavan Uvacha. Bhagavan said, Lord Krishna said, Shri Bhagavan means Lord Krishna. Bhagavan, I have already explained what is the meaning of Bhagavan. I hope you remember that. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha. Lord Krishna said. Lord Krishna said these words. Who says? Sanjaya tells to Dhritarashtra. That means Sanjaya also listening whatever Lord Krishna is saying. So we have to remember this context throughout the Gita. What Lord Krishna said here, Anarya Jushtam Aswargyam Akirtikaram Idam Kashmalam Kutaha Samupasthitam. Lord Krishna asks Arjuna, Kutaha Samupasthitam. From where it has come to you, hey Arjuna? From where it has come to you? What has come to Arjuna? He explains. After seeing that such type of Arjuna, where from it has come to you? What is that? Kashmalam. Kashmalam means malinam. This dejection of mind, such a mind. Dejection means going away from the battlefield, running away from the battlefield, showing back to the battlefield is called Kashmalam. Ada Paranmukham anartham. What is it? That It is anarya jushtam. Arya means a noble person. Jushtam means resorted to, taken to, entertained by noble people. Anarya jushtam. This type of grief, this type of mental status, running away from the battlefield, it is not supposed to be entertained by the noble people. You are entertaining that means what? You are not Arya anartham. Anarya jushtam, which is not entertained by the noble people. Anarya jushtam. Who is Arya? Arya, Anarya. Aryan means Aryan civilization is different. That Aryan is nothing to do with this Arya. Arya means in Telugu also we call Aryan. Elderly person in Sanskrit also they address Aryan. Great person. Arya, noble person anartham. Respectively calling the person. Respectively addressing the person is called Arya. Sita Devi used to call Rama Arya. இப்போ யாரு கூப்பிடுறோம் அப்படி இங்க வா அந்தானே கூப்பிடுறோம். ஸோ போத் ஆர் ஈக்குவல். நோ இல்லைன்னா பேர் வச்சுட்டாலும் கூப்பிடுவான், இல்லைன்னா some sounds, they have their own separate sounds. So we have to respect, you have to give respect to husband. Husband also supposed to give respect, no? So they have to give respect. So Arya, like that, she used to call Rama, address Rama all the time. Like that. Arya means kartavyam acharan karma. Who is Arya? Who is a noble person? Shastra tells one place, kartavyam acharan karma. Whoever performs the duty, what has to be done? Kartavyam acharan karma. பண்ண வேண்டிய கர்மாக்கள் எல்லாமே பண்ணணும். கர்மாக்கள் எல்லாமே என்ன, இந்த 13th day கர்மா எல்லாம் வச்சுக்காங்க. So not that karma I am telling. Vihita karma, duties prescribed by the Shastra. Shastric injunctions. Kartavyam acharan karma. Vihita karma ityartha. Acharan karma. At the same time, akartavyam anacharan. நிஷித்த கர்மா பண்ணாமலே இருக்கிறது. நிஷித்த கர்மா பண்ணாமல் இருக்கிறது அகர்த்தவ்யம். நிஷித்த கர்மா. அனாச்சரன், not performing those actions which are not prescribed by Shastra and which are prohibited by Shastra. That is called akartavyam anacharan. A noble person is one who performs the actions which are all prescribed by the Shastra. Early morning you have to take bath. After taking bath only you have to take even coffee also. Then only he is called Arya. And prescribed by Shastra. You are not supposed to drink anything without taking bath. If you are doing that means all Anaryas anardham. Amma. அகர்த்தவியம் அனாச்சரன். பண்ணக்கூடாது பண்ணக்கூடாது. நம்ம அதுதானே பண்றோம் சுவாமினே என்ன சொல்லாதுங்க. அதுதான் பண்றோம், அதுதான். தட்ஸ் வை அவர் மைண்ட்ஸ் ஆர் பொல்யூட்டட். நோ, ஒன்ஸ் வி ஆர் ஃபாலோயிங் சம் டிசிப்ளின்ஸ், lot of disciplines we follow, at least we can purify our mind. These are all meant for that. So tishthanti prakritacharena. Second line, tishthanti prakritacare. Same sloka continues. Kartavyam acharan karma, akartavyam anacharan, tishthanti prakritacare. Acare means discipline, a way of lifestyle. No, prakritam achare tishthanti. The one who remains, one who establishes in that achara vyavahara, achara vyavahara. Prakritam means what are all given by the Shastra. Prakritam, prakrit acharye sava arya iti uchyate. Sava arya iti uchyate. Such person alone is called Arya. He is called Arya. And I request, some of you are bringing very, very big books of Bhagavad Gita. I don't mind if you carry the weight, but don't read in the class. Don't search for these meanings in that book. Okay, you don't get certain points, you may get certain points, you may not get. Therefore, better not to see any notes or any commentary of any book when you are in the class especially. So that is my request or suggestion also. Better, because you will miss the important points if you go through that. Because these are all said by many commentators. We collect all those commentators' statements and I present. I prepare the whole lesson and come here. Try to understand. We have to go through many commentaries, and what are all required points I want to present, I will present here. What is very important. So therefore you just to write notes or listen to me, that is fine. So samupasthitam, it has come to you, this anarya jushtam, asvargyam, that which leads to, which will not lead to asvargyam. Swargam means swargam. Serial varudaleyo, swargam ane. Ondinde irukku innum theriyala, innum ondinde irukku ethana episode theriyala, poinde irukku appadi. Swargam, aswargyam, this type of decision what you are taking, running away from the battlefield. A kshatriya who is weeping, crying kshatriya, this will lead you to naraka, not swarga but naraka. It will not lead you to heaven. It will not lead you to heaven and artham. Heaven illamal vera enga pova? Narakathi pova. Idu why you want to choose such a type of place. Aswargyam, which will not lead to heaven. Akirtikaram, not only that. After death, whether you are going to naraka or swarga, nobody sees. But here, while living also, you are getting infamy. Lot of your fame will go away. Akirtikaram. Kirti and fame, name and fame. But you will get, akirti. Akirtikaramana, and manaspanma iponik irikirade, akirtikaram kondu vandidum. That's why our mind also, when it is not in proper condition, நமக்கு இருக்கிற அந்த பாப்புலாரிட்டி கூட போயிடும். பாப்புலாரிட்டி என்ன, நல்ல பேர் எது இருக்குமோ அதெல்லாமே போயிடும், இருக்கிறது எல்லாமே. So Arjuna has got such a good name. So such you will get a bad name. I cannot withstand Arjuna if you get a bad name. The friends know, they are both are friends. Like that, any one of our friend get bad name, as though we got it. Like that we feel. So Krishna felt like that. Where it has come, this type of mind, which is akirtikaram, aswargyam, and anarya jushtam, this kashmalam, vishame samupasthitam. Tvam vishame samupasthitam. In this juncture, at this juncture, in this battlefield, enge varakudado ange vandachu. Yuddha, and that place, in that battlefield, Kshatriya has to have a courage, braveness, and he has to show valor. He has to hold the weapon. But Angiboye, you are dropping the weapon and you are crying also and you are getting shivering. The one who is supposed to protect the people, Kshatriya. But that Kshatriya, he himself get timidity, fear, shivering. All opposite to courage, valor, everything opposite you are getting. This is called Vishamen, wrong time. This is the wrong time for you. You are not supposed to get like that. You are supposed to protect the people. But if you run away, you are not going to be a model to the people. How it has come to you, O Arjuna? Papa, Krishna Paramatma is asking. So up to here we saw in the last class. Next shloka we will read. Klaibyam asmagamaf partham नैतत्त्वय्युपपद्यते क्षुद्रं हृदय दौर्बल्यम् त्यक्त्वोत्तिष्ठ परन्तप। Partha, O Arjuna. Why Arjuna is called Partha? Prithayaha putraha. Pritha means Kunti Devi. So Kunti Devi's son is called Partha. O Arjuna. That's why Arjuna has got, Krishna has got the name Partha Saradi. நமக்கு இதெல்லாம் ஞாபகம் இருக்காது சகஜமா. ஹே பார்த்தாவோ அர்ஜுனா, மாஸ்ம கமஹ, you should not take, do not take to, do not resort to, do not entertain. Ma means do not. Sma gamaha na gacchatu ityartha. Don't go towards that, anartha. Let your mind should not go to that wrong decision, anartha. Let your mind should not take such a type of wrong decision. What type of that decision? Klaibyam. He says, Klaibyam masmagamaha. Klibasya bhavaha klaibyam. Klibata klibatvam klaibyam. Klaibya means a mind that which is not a male or female. It is not a male mind, Purusha manas, or female mind, Stri manas. Rendu kettanga middle la irukku. That means a male person, that means any male species has got such a type of mind. It is already pre-designed in the creation. Similarly, the female also, Stri, Manas also is designed in such a way. So either you are not this way or that way. You are in the middle, mixture. So nirviryata ityartha, nirviryam. Eunuchs and சொல்லுவா இங்கிலீஷ்ல, eunuchs, napumsakahana, no, those minds and matter, such a mind. Etat tvayi na upapadyate. This type of mind, klaibyam, this type of mind, nirviryata or weak-mindedness, we can call it as weak-mindedness. It is not fit to you as Arjuna. It is not, that type of mind is not fitted to you. Yeah, for somebody it is fit enough, but not to you. Who says? Lord Krishna says. Because Arjuna is such a person who has got lot of powers from Devatas also, and he has got lot of weapons, and he has got lot of name and fame, everything. And such a Arjuna, this type of mind, Klaibyam, is not fit to you. It is உனக்கு வர வேண்டிய மனஸ்தத்துவம் இல்லப்பா இது. நீங்க எப்படியோ இருக்கணும், இப்படியெல்லாம் இருக்கக்கூடாது అని சொல்றோம் இல்லையா? அவங்க சொல்றா எனக்கு புரியலையே. But people will give suggestions and advice, but and the person who is in that situation, he cannot come out because that situation is overpowered in the mind. So he says, upapadyate na tvayi. Tvayi means to you. Na upapadyate, it is do not fit to you. It does not be fit to you. So therefore, since that Klaibyam is not fit to you, this type of mind is not fit to you, what you have to do? You have to take opposite step. Therefore, tyaktva kshudram hridaya daurbalyam. Therefore, this type of Klaibyam is, it shows the hridaya daurbalyam. Durbalasya bhavaha daurbalyam. Weakness. Heart ஒரு மாதிரி இருக்கு சுவாமினி, ரொம்ப வீக்கா இருக்கல, படப்படப்பு, கொந்தளிப்பு, ஏதோ இதெல்லாமே தௌர்பல்யம். Daurbalyam of what? Hridayam. Hridaya daurbalyam. Kshudram, it is very mean, it is very low, it is inferior, anartham. Hridaya daurbalyam. When hridaya daurbalyam is there, person cannot stand, cannot talk, cannot face with people. Is it not? When our mind is so weak, you cannot talk properly, you cannot face the people, you cannot interact with anyone, you cannot handle situation. What will happen when we are not able to handle the situation? You handle it wrong way. And which gives wrong consequences. Then you face the wrong way and all problems. So therefore, this hridaya daurbalyam, which is kshudram. Kshudram means alpam ityartha. Alpam. Tyaktva, given up. Please give up anartha. Tyaktva. Tyaktva, having given up this hridaya daurbalyam, which is kshudram. What do you have to do? Don't run away. Uttishta, get up first. Uttishta means what? Get up and fight anartha. Uttishta yuddham kuru ityartha. Uttishta pannena pannano. Odi pokudadu. You have to take up the bow again into your hand. You have to fight. With whom? Atatais. There are side Atatais are standing. You have to kill, you have to destroy them, you have to destroy the adharma ityartha. So uttishta, get up to face the battle. The uttishta, that word is a big platform on what? And the uttishta word, it is a platform for Arjuna's teaching of karma yoga. The commentator writes, no? That is a platform for Arjuna's teaching. What he is going to teach? Karma yoga. Do your duty. And the karma yoga ke idu whatever word, code word, uttishta. Get up, stand up and take your duty. Do your duty. Never complacent towards your duty. Mind nature enna நாளைக்கு பண்ணலாம், நம்ம பண்ண வேண்டாம், வேற யாராவது பண்ணட்டும், இப்படியெல்லாம் சொல்றோம் இல்லையோ? போஸ்ட் போனிங் நேச்சர் ஆர் நமக்கு எதுக்குல நம்ம பண்ண வேண்டாம், இந்த லேசினஸ், சோம்பேறித்தனம், இதெல்லாம் போகணும். என்ன பண்ணணும்? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் யூ ஹாவ் டு கெட் அப். தட்ஸ் வை அவர் பீப்புள் ஆல்சோ ஆல்வேஸ் சிட்டிங். டோன்ட் சிட் ஆல்வேஸ், டூ சம்திங் ன்னு சொல்லுவான். தட் மீன்ஸ் பி ஆக்டிவ் ன்னு அர்த்தம். ஐடில் மைண்ட் இஸ் டெவில் ஒர்க் ஷாப். So occupy yourself. Don't become a workaholic again. இது சொன்னா அது சொன்னா இது சில பேர். You become a workaholic means you don't get time to study Shastra. Again problem. So moderately you do your duty, at the same time have time for spiritual, religious life also. Both are important. So that is uttishta, get up. So Arjuna, known as a very great person, you are not supposed to get this type of daurbalyam. Therefore, give up this daurbalyam and get up, take that, be as a role model. Be as a role model. You have to. That's why Lord Krishna hinting parantapa. Parantapayati iti parantapa. The one who scorches enemies. Parantapa. Hetu garbha visheshanam. The adjective to Arjuna. Adala hetu irukku. Enna reason? You are not an ordinary person. You are the one who is, by your fighting, You are creating, frightening the enemies, scorching. You are the scorcher of the enemies' minds. Directly attacking the physical body is not much severe. Attacking the mind of the person, you can weaken the person's mind, automatically body will become weak. No, if it stands enough, their minds, all enemies' minds will become weak. Once they get weakness, they cannot use their weapons properly. So, parantapayeti iti parantapa. Oh parantapa, you get up, give up this hridaya daurbalyam. These are the Lord Krishna's words. Then Arjuna thinking, Bhagavan is not understanding me properly. Bhagavan is thinking I am running away out of fear. Lord Krishna is not understanding my mental condition. Idha evada sonnalum kuda other person புரிஞ்சிக்கவே மாட்டான். ஏன் என்ன விபரியம் இருக்கு அர்ஜுனருக்கு. Confusion is there, moha is there in the mind. Therefore, when even Lord Krishna says, give up this anarya justam asvargyam akirtikaram, give up this and get up and chonnanum kuda Arjuna not listening at all, because mind is under the spell of viparyaya, confusion. When mind is restless, under confusion, any advice, any suggestion given by the father or mother or elders or teachers will not enter. So Arjuna is going to give counter answer to Lord Krishna. See, Arjuna is going to give counter answer to Lord Krishna, because Krishna, you have not understood me properly. You are thinking that I am running away from the battlefield out of fear. How can I get fear? How can you underestimate me? Because Lord Krishna said, Anarya Justam, Asvargyam, Hridaya Daurbalyam. Not only that, Klaibyam are going to சொல்லிட்டார். இந்த மாதிரி வார்த்தை யூஸ் பண்ணாம அர்ஜுனுக்கு ஒரே கோபம். ஏன்னா வீக்கா இருக்கும் போது கோபம் கூட வந்துடும். புரியுறதா? இது அர்ஜுனர் கண்டிஷன் இல்ல, நமக்கு எல்லாம் என்ன Klaibyam, how can you say? You are not understanding me. Such type of words Lord Krishna is using, no? Arjuna never heard from Lord Krishna's mouth talking about him like that. That's why once you listen from such a person about oneself, immediately we feel it is hurting. It is hurting. So you want to justify. You want to justify your decision. Arjuna want to justify his decision, and he is going to explain more elaborately to Krishna. புரியுதா? இதெல்லாம் நடக்கும். When we are also, wife does some wrong thing, she want to justify. ஏன்னா don't want to accept. Our husband does anything, he want to justify. Our children want to justify from parents. Parents want to justify from the student, children. இதெல்லாம் நடந்துட்டே இருக்கும் நமக்கு. Any relation, these are the things very generally happens. That's why mind goes under confusion. Very difficult to handle that mind. Very, very difficult. How to handle it? Bhagavan kaapathanum. Now see Arjuna what is going to talk. Of course he is entering from viparyaya to samshaya. So thank God Arjuna, that's why he is going to get teaching. So from the first stage he is going to enter into second stage. What is that? For Sharanagati what he required, I said, first he has to see helplessness. He has to understand his problem. The karpanyam, he has to understand his helplessness. Dosha is there in his understanding, and he has to surrender to Lord. Samshaya, so it has to come. Then Sharanagati will take place. Dosha darshanam irkanam. I may be wrong annadu varanam. Dosha darshanam. Then from that dosha he has to desire to come out of that dosha. Then he has to surrender to a person who can relieve me from this dosha. இதுதான் சரணாகதி என்ன அர்த்தம். புரியுறதா? So now we'll read the fourth shloka. Arjuna uvacha katham bhishmamaham sankhye dronam cha madhusudana ishubhih pratiyotsyami pujarhavarisuudana. Arjuna uvacha. Arjuna asked Lord Krishna. He is Arjuna addressing Lord Krishna, Hey Madhusudana. Katham aham pratiyotsyami. Katham aham. Aham means I. Katham, how? How can I pratiyotsyami, fight against? Yotsyami. Pratiyotsyami means against, fighting against another. Against whom? Dronam cha Bhishman cha. Bhishma and Drona. How can I fight against Bhishma and Drona? Who are they? The adorable Pujarhau, who are deserved to be worshipped. Who are deserved to be worshipped. So Bhishma is a hero for Arjuna. For Arjuna ki Bhishma our hero or idol or exemplary or model for Arjuna. Not only Bhishma, even Dronacharya also. To such great people, how can I leave arrows? I have to put garland for them, not arrows. Katham pratiyotsyami. Pujarho. I have to worship them. I have to respect them. I have to do archana. The great people they are, how can I fight with them? What do you think? Asking. Pujarho, Arjuna's mind, no? He is having lot of reverence towards Bhishma and Drona. Where I have to fight? Sankhye. Sankhya means in this battle. Sankhya means in this battle, how can I use Ishubhihi pratiyosthyami. With arrows, how can I fight against them? And a battle look poi poovala poda mudiyum. Can you put the flowers? Magurave namaha. You cannot do like that. In the battlefield, you have to leave the arrows, not flowers, not garlands. Ishubhihi, with arrows. Who are deserved to be worshipped with flowers, how can I fight against them with arrows? ரொம்ப ஆப்போசிட்டா இருக்கலையோ அப்படி பண்ணலாமா? இதுக்கு உனக்கு நியாயமா அர்த்தம் இல்லாமலே how is it justifiable? Who are deserved for my worship, how can I fight against them? Shastra permits. According to Shastra, you are not supposed to fight with Guru. You are not supposed to address the Guru. நீ கூட சொல்லக்கூடாது. இங்கிலீஷ்ல அதுதான் ரெஸ்பெக்டே இருக்காது. யூன்னு சொல்றான். யூ என்ன அர்த்தம்? நீ என்ன அர்த்தம்? ரெஸ்பெக்டும் வரலாம். Who knows? How do you know? So therefore that's why single ஏகவச்சனத்துல அட்ரஸ் பண்ணக்கூடாது. You are not supposed to address the Guru in ஏகவச்சனம். And you are not supposed to shout with Guru. You are not supposed to show your anger on the Guru. Actually, these are all things. There are places people fight with the Guru and கோபம் எல்லாம் வரும். அதெல்லாம் நடக்கும். But actually you are not supposed to. அதுதான் அர்ஜுனர் மைண்ட்ல அதெல்லாம் இருக்க மனசுக்குள்ள. So I am a student, Drona is my guru. How can I behave like this? யுத்தம் பண்ணும்போது சந்தோஷம் ஆனந்தமா தானே விடுவோம். கோபத்தோட lot of krodha, kopa will come when I am leaving the arrow. How can I show anger towards my guru? Not only that, Drona really, when first convocation time, when Arjuna's, all the Pandavas and Dhritarashtra showing their valor, their power, lot of things, demonstration they arranged. Bhishmacharya arranged the demonstration. That time, the guru has to come and introduce the student, so and so student, he is so great, he is going to show his skill now. அதெல்லாம் பண்ணணும். அது பண்ணும்போது துரோணாச்சாரியர் என்ன சொன்னார் தெரியுமோ? அதுக்கு ஒரு ஸ்லோகமே இருக்கு. That shloka is very beautiful. He says in Mahabharata Adi Parva it comes Yo me putrat priyataraha. Drona tells about Arjuna. When Arjuna came onto the stage, he is going to show his the skill archery, Dhanurvidya Patavam, he is going to show. That time Drona introduced this Arjuna. How he introduced? Yo me priyataraha, putrat priyataraha. This Arjuna, who is superior than my son, is dear to me than my own son. Putrat priyataraha. And sarvastra vidushambaraha. He is the one who is having the capacity of using all weapons. Sarvastra vidusha. Who is the talented one who knows how to use all weapons. Varaha means great. Aindri Indranujas Samahana. He is equal, he is the son of Indra. He is the son of Indra who is equal to Lord Vishnu. அப்படியெல்லாம் சொல்லிட்டார் துரோணாச்சாரியர். இன்ட்ரோடியூஸ்டு அர்ஜுனா such a way. இதெல்லாம் ஞாபகம் இருக்கு அர்ஜுனருக்கு. He is remembering that. Saha Parthaha Drishyatam iti. Saha Parthaha. He is this Partha. All of you now look at him and address பண்ணிட்டார். இப்ப என்ன பண்றாங்க இவனு? யுத்தத்துல he is fighting against to Drona. புத்ராத் பிரியதரஹான் சொல்லிட்டாரு. அந்த மாதிரி வார்த்தை மனசுல ஞாபகம் இருக்கா இருக்காதா? He is so dear to me than my son. Lifelong Arjuna remembers that word. So he is equal to father now. Guru is also equal to father. This is Arjuna's intention in the mind when he is telling Kadam Yishubhi Pratiyotsyami Pujarhav. Then Shastra says another shloka also counter for this. Not only that, Arjuna's feeling is Jeshto Bhrata, who are all worshipable, deserve to worship according to Dharma Shastra. Hey Krishna, you are telling this battle is Dharma Yuddham. நான் சொல்ற தர்மம் பாரு. According to Dharma Shastra, Jeshta Bhrata, eldest brother, you have to listen to eldest brother. You have to give respect as equal to father to your eldest brother. Jeshta Bhrata. Then Pitavapi, own father. Pitavapi, Yascha Vidyam Prayaschati. Your own father, the one who gives Vidya, because Drona he gave the Vidya, Dhanur Vidya to me. So he is equal to my father, my own father, and who gave Vidya to me also is my father. My eldest brother is also father. Therefore, these are all said in Shastra, Dharma Shastra. Unku theriyada? Trayaste Pitarah Gneyaha. Trayaste Pitaraha Gneyaha. These three means who are they? Eldest brother, own father, and the guru who imparted the knowledge, wisdom. So these three are equal to father. So therefore, Dharmo Patihi Vartinaha. Dharme Patihi Vartinaha. The people who are living a righteous way of life. Dharme Patihi. The one who take to Dharma. Dharme Patihi Vartinaha. They have to follow this part. Look at all these three as the father and respect them. This is saying Dharma Shastra says. So therefore, I don't want to fight. I don't want to fight. Arisudana, where address பண்றாரு. மதுசூதனா அரிசூதனா. இதுக்கு ரெண்டு வாட்டி அட்ரஸ் பண்றாரு. மதுசூதனா, ஹே மதுசூதனா போகாதோ, அரிசூதனான்னு சொல்றாரு திருப்பி. அரிசூதனா, when you are confused, you do not know. Purva apara paramarsha sunyam. When mind is, Madhusudana Saraswati, and commentator writes, why Arjuna used Mahabahu, no, this Arjuna, Madhusudana and Arisudana. Arjuna is confused because of Shoka and Moha. Therefore he has forgotten, he has used addressed Krishna already Madhusudana, but he is using again Punarukti. Dosham ade. Addressing the same person in one sentence kulla rendu vaati address panna நம்ம கூட அப்பதான் பண்ணுவோம். இப்படிதான் கூப்பிட்டாங்க. ஓஹோ அப்படின்னா ஹே மதுசூதனா அரிசூதனா அத சோக மோக சம்விக்ன மானசஹ பூர்வ அபர பராமர்ஷ ரஹிதஹ பவதி. He will lose what he is talking. Naturally happens, spontaneously happens, helplessly will happen. அதே மாதிரி Arjuna also அரிசூதனா. Another commentator writes again, Arisudana, Ari means enemy, Sudana means destroyer. You are the destroyer of enemies, but you are asking me to destroy my relatives, my friends, my colleagues, my gurus. இது நியாயமா உனக்கு? You do not know the severity, the sin, the problem of what I am undergoing. Illa pointing out Lord Krishna. Harisudana, you are Arisudana, you are not Guru Sudana. You are not Tata Sudana, you are not Pita Sudana, but Uncle Sudana, okay? Kamsun he destroyed, no? Here it is not a question of Kamsa Sudana, Madhusudana, Guru Sudana, it doesn't matter. Once the person goes away from Dharma, you have to remove that. You have to. That is the intention. So next shloka. Still he continues. He wants to justify more further. Fifth shloka. Guruna hatva hi mahanubhavan. Guruna hatva hi mahanubhavan. Shreyo bhoktum haikshamapi haloke. Hatvartha kamanstu guruni haivam. Bhundiya bhogan rudhira pradigdhan. Tune change its pattern. So Vyasacharya want to draw your attention. Still his Arjuna's mind is more and more it is going deeper sorrow. And the tune is there. So how can I kill my guru? This type of Guru na hatva mahanubhavan. How can I kill my great gurus? Mahanubhavas they are. Or Sishyan, he is, Guru is sleeping. For a student is allotted a duty, you protect your guru anna. You protect your guru, take care of your guru anna. So don't disturb him when he is sleeping. So that Guru Sishya is watching how not to disturb the guru. Watching. Suddenly one fly came, mosquito. A fly or mosquito came that time. So it is sitting on the body of the guru. See, இப்போ குருன்னு சேவ் பண்ணணுமா, ப்ரொடெக்ட் பண்ணணுமா, இந்த கொசுனை அழிக்கணுமா? இந்த பரமானந்த சிஷ்யன் என்ன பண்ணிட்டான்? He brought one axe, அந்த கொசு அழிக்கிறதுக்காக. இந்த குரு ஆல்சோ gone, dead. அது மாதிரி இருக்க நீங்க கேட்கறதல்ல அர்ஜுனா கிருஷ்ணா சொல்ற. இப்போ மை குரு is here, I have to protect him, I have to save him, I have to take care of him, I am the well-wisher of the Guru. அந்த சிஷ்யன் மாதிரி பண்ண சொல்றீன்னா என்ன பண்ணிட்டான் அந்த சிஷ்யன்? இப்படி பண்ணிட்டான். ஸோ கொசு ஏதாவது ஹவு டு ப்ரொடெக்ட் த குரு, ஹவு டு சேவ் என்ன. I am an intelligent fellow. I don't want to do like that Paramanandaya Shishya. I want to protect my Guru, he says. Guruna hatva hi mahanubhavan. Look into the shloka. Ihaloke. Iha means he. Here, second line. Ihaloke means in this world. In this world, instead of fighting with gurus, guruna hatva, gurun ahatva, than killing our own gurus, if it is a necessity, if it comes to kill my guru, better not to kill my guru. I'll give up my duty. Suppose if anybody will say it is your duty, your Kshatriya dharma, you kill your guru. If anybody says, I give up that duty, even though it is dharmic, I'll give up that. If I give up that duty, I will take what? What is not my duty, I have to take. If I give up my duty here, what I have to do? I have to take up what is not my duty. What is not my duty, I will take, I am ready to take. But I don't want to take this duty. Even it is said by Lord, even it is said by Shastra, I don't want. Gurun ahatva, who are they? Mahanubhavan. Great people. Mahanubhavan, the commentator writes, he did lot of tapas. Bhishma, Drona, they did lot of tapas. They have a lot of knowledge, they have studied lot of scriptures, and not only that, they have got lot of control over their sense organs, and not only that, they have controlled their life also. The death will not come to them. Bhishma, whenever he wants, only the death will come. He can invite the death. Bhishma has got such a boon. Drona also has got such a boon. So Kala is also under their control. Because of their tapas, because of their valor, because of their knowledge, because of everything, they are all Mahanubhavas. So Gurun Mahanubhavan ahatva means I give up my duty. What I will take? Bhaiksham api ihaloke. In this world, I take to Bhikshatanam. Bhavati Bhikshandehene pore. I know that is not my duty. It is not my swadharma. Because he is a grihastha. Bhikshatana, if I give up my rajyam, if I allow my Drona, Bhishma not killing anybody, and Duryodhana will rule their kingdom, I am without kingdom. So I don't have money, anything. What I have to do? Picha. I have to beg. Once I beg, what will happen? Nothing will happen. I am very happy. Because it is better than killing my guru. Bhaiksham. Bhaiksham means Bhiksha. Very vitla. From one house, if you take food, it is called Bhiksha. If you take minimum 7 houses or 9 houses maximum. If you take more than one, if you take, it is called Bhaiksham. Adi called Madhukara Vritti. Madhukaram anna theriyumo, and the madhu, the fly, bee, honey bee. It goes flower to flower and take the honey. Adi Madhukaram. Adi madri in the Brahmachari, 3 ashramas are allowed to take Bhiksha. According to Shastra. It is their Swadharma. Who are they? Brahmachari. Brahmachari Swadharma is to take Bhiksha from a Grihastha. Because he has to study Shastra. So therefore he cannot work, he has no money, he cannot have a food of his own. So he has to depend on a Grihastha. So he can take food. Then Vanaprastha he can take. Qualifications required to take bhiksha from others. சும்மா போய் நானும் கூட பிக்ஷை எடுக்கிறேன் சுவாமினி, நாலஞ்சு சமயம் பண்ண வேண்டாம் என்று சொல்லக்கூடாது. To take bhiksha you require some qualification. A brahmachari can be given the bhiksha because he is studying scriptures. He is spending his whole time for shastra. Okay, he is qualified. Then vanaprastha. Vanaprastha means after marriage, everything over, given responsibilities to children, and you take retired. No? After retirement, you take vanaprastha ashrama and you do japa, upasana. So you spend more time for nididhyasanam and our study of shastra and everything, japa, more time. So you are also qualified to, vanaprastha also qualified to take bhiksha. Second ashrama. And where from he can take? From grihastha only. And sannyasi also allowed to take bhiksha from a grihastha. Sannyasi also is supposed to protect dharma by teaching to the people, by shastra study and teaching the shastra. No, வேலை கிடையாது, காலையிலேருந்து நைட் வரைக்கும் படிச்சுட்டே இருக்கணும், ஜப பண்ணிட்டே இருக்கணும். We have to do lot of அத்தியனம், பட்டனம் பாட்டனம் பண்ணிட்டே இருக்கணும். So sannyasi is also qualified to take bhiksha. இந்த மூணு பேரும் பிக்ஷா எடுக்கிறது ஸ்வதர்மம். சாஸ்திரா allows, but who should not take bhiksha? Grihastha should not take. Arjuna என்ன சொல்றான்? I want to take bhiksha and I don't want to kill them, so I want to take. That means what? I will give up my swadharma. Fighting with my, in the battlefield, fighting with the people is my swadharma, but I give up. I am going to take bhaiksham. Whose dharma is it? Paradharma. Brahmachari dharma or vanaprasthi dharma or sannyas dharma I am going to take. என்ன அர்த்தம்? பெரிய கன்ஃபியூஷன் அர்த்தம். புரியுறதா? பைக்ஷம் என்னது அந்த மூணு ஆசிரமத்துக்கு தான் அலௌட், தவிர நாட் ஃபார் யூ அர்ஜுனா. பட் வாட் ஹி சேஸ் ஹியர், அப்பி பைக்ஷம் அப்பி அஹி இஹலோகே ஸ்ரேயஹ போக்தும். Bhoktu means to take the food and live survival for my food. I take this bhiksha, it is Shreyas, it is good. He says, to whom? Lord Krishna. சொல்றான். ஏன்னா ஹத்வா அர்த்தகாமான் குருநீஹ ஐவ புஞ்சீய போகான் ருதிர பிரதிக்தான். Suppose I am not going to take bhiksha. Suppose I am going to kill my guru. What am I going to get here? Kaman, artha kaman. I'll get lot of wealth. I'll get lot of pleasures. Bhunjiya, to enjoy. I will enjoy more pleasures. But are they pleasures? Rudhira pradigdhan. They are full of bloodshed. No. That wealth I got, the prosperity, the kingdom, everything of because of what? Is smeared with the bloodshed. Do you think that I can live happily? I can sleep nicely? Gurun hatva, by killing my own guru, arthakaman bhunjiya. What type of arthakaman? Rudhira pradigdhan, bloodshed. Such. So I cannot do that job. I am ready to take paradharma. I don't mind. So he is going to continue some more time. We'll see in the next class. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om.